Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know different ways of selecting different amount of text in a Word document. And I begin by selecting a paragraph. If you double click in the left margin to a paragraph anywhere in the left margin, it will select the whole paragraph. For example, if I double click at this position, it selects the whole paragraph within it. Similarly, if I single click in the left margin, the line next to that margin would be selected. This selection comes by single clicking in this margin. Similarly, if I press the Control key and then click anywhere in a sentence, whether in a blank area, space, or word, it will select the whole sentence. I press the Control key on my keyboard and I click at this position so this line is selected. Similarly, if I want to select a single word, I put the cursor over that word and double click on it. It is selected. And if you want to select some text from the paragraph at random, you need to put your cursor at that position, then move the cursor to another position, and before clicking, you need to press the shift button on your keyboard and then click. The text between the two clicks would be selected. There is another way for this selection. Double click at a given place and suddenly drag your key down. It will keep on selecting the amount of text. So this way you can select different amount of text in a Word document. And then thanks for watching Safi Mixed.